YouTube, it's Kharyzma. Hey, I just decided that I wanted to vlog. It's 10:29 and today is Sunday, November 8th. OMG, I am so tired, guys. I have been working non-stop since I announced my lip gloss launch. I was working non-stop before to prepare to announce for the launch. So now that I announced the launch date for my lip gloss is November 18th. So that means as of today, I officially have 10 days until my website launch, www.Kharyzma4u.com. If you haven't seen my announcement video, please go in the video playlist and check it out. For those of you guys who don't know, I am expanding my business into cosmetics and my first product launch will be lip gloss. I look forward to seeing you guys' reactions to when you get your lip gloss. So now what I'm doing is a giveaway. I've already announced the giveaway. So please look in the list of videos to see the giveaway videos to enter, because guys, there's some good prizes. I'm giving away a starter kit, one of a bundle from my Fall Vibes collection. A lot of you guys really like the colors in that one, and I'm giving some single glosses from that collection. So go on ahead and look at that video. Also subscribe to my social media because I'm doing giveaways all the way up until my launch, and I'll probably do some after, but to, you know, gain some momentum, get people knowing about my business. I'm just so excited and I'm tired at the same time. So today I did some product photos. Let me show you. So yeah, this is my little setup here. I was taking some pictures of the glosses. Guys, these are some of the solid colors that I'll be offering in my glosses. I know you guys are gonna love them because I do. Yeah, and this is just some of the little crinkly stuff. That's this right here. For packaging, this is the pictures that I was taking of my starter kits, and these are all this right here is just a prop. The actual kit that I'm going to be sending out is not going to be this one, but I have prop glosses and prop base and all of that just for the sake of photos. This is all lip gloss for my wholesale orders that I'll be doing, and I was taking product photos. This is all my business postcards, business cards, packaging stuff and everything like that. Yeah, so this is my little setup here. So yeah, guys, that's my little setup there. So it's been a long day. As you can see, from the time I woke up, I'm realizing now, like, putting 100% of my time into my business really is time consuming, because obviously all of my time is going into it, and it's definitely a big change from before when I was spreading myself thin all across the board, because I do a lot of things. I'm talented in a lot of areas, and so sometimes it can be really challenging focusing on one thing, but I'm working on that right now, and I'm looking forward to seeing the results of just being focused on one thing at a time, so that when one thing progresses and comes to full fruition, then we can move on to the next thing. So that's something that I'm working on. That's one of my goals for this year, and this year is almost over. I have so many goals. I have to do a separate video on my goals. Yeah, that's about it, guys. I'm so hungry. I have to do better with my diet. I've been skipping meals and then I have to get back on, but it's okay. Everything is okay. I know that everything is gonna pay off. I know that you guys are gonna love my glosses. I know that the website launch is going to be awesome, and I'm claiming that I will be selling out on my launch. Maybe not the day of, but that week or so, hopefully. And then I'll be already now preparing for the Christmas season, because Black Friday is coming up soon. So you know I have 2 businesses, so I have to do everything that I need to do ahead of time so that I don't become overwhelmed. Okay guys, so really quickly, this is an update on the giveaway. I'm so excited because people already have started to enter. I was a little scared at first, only because I was like, I don't think everyone can follow all the rules of the giveaway. I think people are getting confused. Like with some of them, they're not able to repost, and then sometimes when they do repost, they don't repost the correct caption, and so on and so forth. But we're gonna work it out. I'll be a little bit lenient on you guys just this time. I think I'm gonna make the giveaways a little bit more simple next time. So bear with me. I'm gonna bear with you. Still enter the giveaways, guys, but please make sure you do repost the post and tag 2 other friends, because the point is for other people to know about the giveaway and also to know about my business and my website, so that when I launch, they can come to the website as well. So thank you guys who have already entered the giveaway. I'm so excited. I have a lot of new people who already followed me on my business Instagram page, so I'm really excited about that, because at first I was just like, I don't know if people are gonna know about the giveaway. So I'm so happy that you guys are helping me to spread the word. Guys, thank you so much for watching. This was just a short vlog letting you know where I am in the process after I announced my launch. I'll be keeping you guys updated on my business and everything having to do with lip gloss. Guys, I'm still going to be doing my natural hair videos. I'm still doing my performance vlogs and all of that. But right now, for this product launch and promotion campaign, that's going to be like paused just for maybe about a week. I might do a couple of 1 or 2 hair videos this coming week, but I just wanted to let the my longtime subscribers know the channel is not changing. We're adding on, we're expanding, we're transforming. It's a new year coming. As you can see, the world, what it is now, it's not the same. So we have to adapt to change. Change is good. And roll with the punches, guys. Stay faithful, stay blessed, pray to God, stay in the word, because that's the only thing that's going to keep us throughout these times. I didn't plan on saying that, but that's in my heart. God is in my heart. He's the one that sustains me and sustains us all. So stay prayerful, stay in the word, stay blessed, and I will see you guys soon. Make sure you subscribe on my email list, www.Kharyzma4u.com, so you will be the first to know about sales, giveaways, and all of that. Follow me on my business social media, Kharyzma4u Fashion, so that you can be privy to all of the giveaways that are going on, as well as my personal Instagram, Kharyzma4u. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. Bye.